Hi Jagadeesh, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Srikanth.
Jagadeesh, could you share your screen and go through your topic?
Yeah, okay, Srikanth. I'm sharing my screen, Srikanth. So today I'm going to explain about the managing journals. Let me go to the activity guide. So, so in this overview, so in this practices, we will perform the following tasks: creating journal template and opening the period for the journal posting, and creating a journal from templates, submitting and approving posting journals, running a journal report. Let me create the journals groups and open the periods. So in this practice, we will create the journal groups and then open a period. First, log into the application. So I'm already logged into the APM Cloud application. So click on the consolidation journals card on the home screen. Click actions and select the groups. Let me go to the application. So click on journals card. So after that, click actions and then click groups to create journal groups. Click actions and click groups to create new groups. So let me go to the activity guide. So after that, click on create. Click create. So let me go to activity guide. So give the name as blue sheet and description as blue sheet journal and then click save. So I'm going to create the blue sheet and blue sheet journal. Give the name as blue sheet and blue sheet journal. After that, click save. So the blue sheet journal group will be created. So let me go to the activity guide. So similarly, create another group with the name yellow sheet and the description as yellow sheet journal. Then click close. So let me create the another group that is yellow sheet. Let me go to the application. Click create. Give the name as yellow sheet. The description is yellow sheet journal. So then click save. So the two groups will be created. So two groups will be created. Then after that, click close. So there are two groups will be created under the journals. So let me, after that, click home icon. Click the manage periods under the card under the application cluster. Then verify scenario actual and year is FY20. Then click go icon. Click actions icon at the end of the web row. Then open and close. Select the open. Note the status FB will now change the open. So let me go to the uh, application. So here it is. Go to the home page. So under the application cluster, click on application cluster. Here it is the manage periods. Click on manage periods. So the PO will be the verify that scenario is actual and year is FY20. The scenario will be the actual. I'm going to select actual. So here is also FY20. I'm going to select FY20. After that, click OK. So PO will be selected. After that, click Go. So the period will be available. So click actions icon at the end of the web row. Click open. The status FB will be now opened. So let me go to the application. The FB will be opened. Click on actions. So here it is open and close. I'm going to open the web. So I'm also open the Jan. So after that, now will be changed as opened. So in the manage periods, Jan and Feb will be opened stage. Now let me go to the activity guide. So create the journal from template. So we will create journal template that later we later will be used as create journal. So log into the APM Cloud application from the journals. Click templates tab. So go to the application. So go to the home page, go to the journals card. So here it is the templates. Click on journal templates. So now let me go to the activity guide. So click on templates tab. So in this click create to create the new template. So let me go to the application, click create to create the new journals template. So give the name as journal for expense. Journal for expense. So description is the journal template for revenue and expense account. Journal template for revenue and expense account. So the journal type is regular. So the data source is journal input. The journal type is standard. Standard. Let me go to next one. Standard. So to create journal entry to click create. So click the gear icon to pick the member for the dimensions. So let me create. To create button, click on create button. So icon will be created. So let me open the gear icon and select the pick members. So you can select the pick members by using the activity guide. So in this activity guide, select entity en01_05. So expand the total geography. So expand the segments. Expand the en01. So I'm going to select the en01_05. So let me go to the activity guide. So account is the 7,000. Let me go to the application. Select the account. So search for the 7,000 account. Click enter. So 7,000. Select the 7,000. So let me go to the intercompany. So here it is the intercompany, no intercompany. So I'm going to select the no intercompany. Select the no intercompany. So the moment is the no moment. Let me select the no moment in the application. Go to the moment. So no moment under the total moments. Select the no moment. So multi-gap is the local gap. Product is the no product. So multi-gap is the local gap. Let me select the local gap. Select local gap. So the product is the no product. After that, click OK. So to create another row in the journal, the new row change the dimension member to 7012. So click OK, and so in the new row change the account dimension member to 70. Click create to add the new row. So in this row I'm going to change the account dimension member to 7012. So let me click on pick members. So I'm going to change the only account member. Select the account. The account member is the 7012. So I'm going to select 7012. Click OK. Now let me go to the activity guide. So after that, click save and then click close. So after that, click save. The journal template will be saved. After that, click on save. Click on close. Let me go to the activity guide. Go to the next page. So create a journal from template. In this practice, we will be creating a journal based on the journal template created earlier. So log into the APM cloud if necessary. Click manage journals tab. Make sure that it has the following POV selected. Scenario is actual, year is FY20, period is Jan. Let me go to the application. So go to the journals, manage journals. So the scenario is actual, selected. The year is FY20, selected. And the period is the Jan. So the period is the Jan, selected. Then click OK. The POV will be selected. After that, click create from template. Click on create from template. So create from template, click on the create from template. So previously created the journal templates, it will be appeared the what you created previously templates will be, it will be appeared in this pop-up window. So select the template journal for expense and click apply. Select the journal for expense. After that, click apply. So the journals for expense will be open. Enter the following information. So the group will be selected as yellow sheet. I'm going to select the yellow sheet by selecting the group. There are two groups. One is the blue sheet, another one is the yellow sheet. I'm going to select the yellow sheet. So in this yellow sheet and enter the row number. First is the 2707 is the credit value. After that, debit the value 2707. So I'm going to enter these values. So first one is the credit. I'm going to enter the 2707. Also debit also 2707. Let me go to the activity guide. After that, click save and then click close. Let me go to the application. Click on save. So after that, click close. So the journal for expense journals will be created successfully. So let me go to the next page. So in this practice, we will create and run a journal report. So first log into the IPM cloud application. So click on reports on the home page. So let me go to the application, go to the home page. Here it is the reports tab. Click on here reports tab. So let me go to the application. So click the journal reports tab and then click create. So go to the application. So in this click on journals tab. So let me click create to create the new report. After that, so select the correct POV, select yellow sheet under the group and then click run report. So let me go to the application. So select the group. So that is the yellow sheet. After that, click run report. So your report will be created, then review your data. So let me go to the application. So the report will be downloaded in our local machine. So let me open this report. So the report will be generated. So you can review the data, what you enter in. So what you mention in this. So let me review your data. So in this 7,000 account, I'm going to debit 727. I'm going to credit 2707 value. So in this 7012 account, I'm going to debit the particular value 2707. So let me close this. Back to the activity guide. Click on. So the next practice will be running consolidation. So in this practice, so entering exchange rate through exchange rate predefined forms. So entering ownership percentages and recomputing ownership. So entering data running consolidation and viewing the result. So let me go to the 12.1 entering exchange rates. In this practice, we will learn add account and entity dimension members. We have to create currencies in practice 4-3. So I am already created the currencies. Okay. So first log into the application. On the home page, click on data cut and select the enter exchange rate single period form. So let me go to the application. So on the home page, click on data cut. So in the data form, so open the enter exchange rate single period form. So I'm going to open the enter exchange rate single period form. Here it is the enter exchange single period form. Open. So after that, make sure the following POV is selected in the form. Period is Jan, year is FY20, scenario is actual. So period is Jan. So already selected period is Jan. After that, year is FY20. I'm also selected FY20. So scenario is actual. Let me click OK for the application. Now let me go to the next slide. So now entering the following information in the form. So enter the USD. USD is the 1. So I'm going to enter the exchange rate values 1. So AUD is the USD to AUD is the 1.30. USD to AUD is the 1.30. So USD to EUR is the 0.84. So USD to INR is a 72.60. So AUD to USD is the 0.77. Right? AUD to USD. AUD to USD is the 0.77. After that, AUD to AUD is the 1. So AUD to EUR is the 0.65. So AUD to INR is the 55.89. So UR to USD is the 1.19. 1.19. Next AUD to EUR to AUD is the 1.55. 0.55. Network activity guide. EUR to EUR is the 11. Next is EUR to INR is the 86.36. Let me go to. So INR to USD is the 0.014. 0.014. Also an exchange rate 0.014. So INR to AUD is the 0.018. So INR to EUR is the 0.012. So INR to INR is the 11. So after entering these currencies, enter save data for average exchange rates. So I am also entering same exchange rate values in. Then click save and close. Then click save. So the form will be saved. Save and close. So it will take some time to save the form. Let me save this form just a second. So the form will be saved. After that, click close. Then go to this practice. We will learn add ownership data. We have to create the current session practice 4-1. So log into the EPM cloud if necessary. Click our record and click application cluster on the home page. Then click on the go to the dimensions tab and click entity. So let me go to the application. So I'll go to the home page. Here it is application card cluster. Click on application cluster. Click on overview card. So here it is the dimensions. Click on dimensions. So let me go to the activity guide. So in this activity guide, click entity, expand CE entities. So go to the click entity, expand the FCCS total geography. So expand the CE. So here it is the legal entities. So after that, so scroll to the right and then set LE01, LE02, LE03 intercompany entities to ICP entity S. Click save, then click cancel to close this page. Let me go to the application. So I'm going to select LE01, scroll right to view the intercompany. So I'm going to select intercompany S. If it is not, you should give the ICP entity S. So already there is the ICP entity S. So I'm going to select ICP entity S. After that, click save. So some fields can be invalid. Okay, click save. Okay. So click save. After that, click cancel. So let me go to the activity guide. So click overview tab and then click refresh database under the actions. So now click create. So refresh database. Click refresh. So click finish. So let me go to the refresh the database. Go to the application home on the home page. So application cluster. Click on our record. Here it is the actions menu. Click on actions menu. Here it is the refresh database. Click on refresh database. So click create to create the database. So after that refresh the database. So refresh will create an outer line for the all cubes used in the application based on the current metadata definition of the. You should back your application before you post it. Click refresh to continue. I'm going to refresh the database. So it will took some time. So click refresh. Or it will take some time to refresh the database. Let me wait for the finishing of refresh. So I'm going to click on run in background. It will be refreshed. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to run in background. Let me close this. Let me close. So I'm going to explain consolidation tab. So after the refresh is done, so go to the consolidation. So if you want to go to, so in this consolidation tab, click on consolidation. So make sure the POV is set to entity total geography and scenario is actual and year is FY20 and period is Jan. So I'm going to set the POV in the consolidation tab. So entity is the total geography. Entity is total geography. So scenario is actual. So year is the FY20. So period is the Jan. So after that, click OK. So after that, now entering the following details on manage ownership page. So entity LE1 is the 100% is the ownership percentage. Legal entity 2 is the 80%. So legal entity 3 is the 60%. So which will use the 100%, it will be the holding company. So the remaining 3 is the subsidiary companies. Let me go to the application. So I'm going to expand collapse. So let me expand total geography and go to the consolidation entity, expand. So I'm going to legal entity is the 100%. The ownership is 100%. So I'm going to select is the holding company. So the legal entity is the 80%. So the consolidation method is the subsidiary. So legal entity 3 is the 60%. The consolidation method is the subsidiary. So after that, click save changes. So click save changes. The ownership data changes will be. So the metadata has been changed. Please recompute the ownership data. So let me go OK. After that, so click recompute and click by clicking an access tab. So click recompute ownership data. So here it is a scenario is actual. Here is the FY20. So period is the Jan. Click on recompute data. So the recomputation successful. After that, click OK. So now let me go to the activity gate. So go to the consolidation process. So click on this tab to go to the consolidation process. After that, now click on consolidation block. Let me go to the application. Click on consolidated block. Go to the activity guide. So click on configurable consolidation to the application. Configurable consolidation. Go to the activity guide. Select the rule sets, checkbox present, and then click deploy. You might have click on this icon to deploy button is not visible. So after that, deploy rules icons will turn green, then click close. We are deploying these rules calculated equity in the next exercise when the consolidation process will be executed. So let me go to the application. So here it is the blue icons under the investment PP. So let me check all the rules. So after that, click on deploy. It will be changed to blue icons to green icon. So the completed deploying the rules. So it will be changed to green icon. Let me go to the application. So after that, click on close. So let me go to the activity guide. Let me go to. So in this practice, we will learn how to execute the consolidation rule and see the difference after the running the rule. So first you log into the APM cloud application, click on the data card on the home page, go to the application. click on home page. So here it is the data card. Click on data card. So these are the forms available in data card. Let me go to the activity guide. So expand the consolidation from our data form folder. So open the data entry form. Let me go to the application. Expand the data forms folder. Open the data entry form. Here it is the form. So now click data source dimension on the form. Select data input member. So go to the data source member is the data input member, and also the consolidation is the entity input. So let me check, expand the parent total, expand the entity total. So enable the entity input option. After that, click OK, click Go. Then click OK. Now click Go arrow mark. So if the cells are the form appear, read only, make sure that form was created correctly as mentioned in the practice 10.1 form, creating form. So entering the following data in the form. So I'm going to enter into the legal entity 1 and legal entity 2 and legal entity 3 values in the common stock 7,000, 4,000. Go to the application. So entity 1 is the 30,000. So entity 2 is the 20,000. 3 is the 10,000. Okay, the 4,000 value is the 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Let me go to the application. So this one also 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. After that, so values are entered like this. So then click on save. Click on save. And cannot modify data restricted member parent currency. So let me go OK. So I'm going to change the parent currency is not accepting value. So I'm going to change the entity currency. Click OK. Now I'm click save. So entity currency. Click OK. OK. So let me change the POV. Okay. Go to layout. So I'm going to take the entity currency. Click OK. Click on save. The form has been saved. Let me go to the data entry form. So here you can enter the data values. So values is 30,000. What backslide. So values are 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. I'm going to enter 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. This one also 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. After that, click on save. So the data has been saved. Click OK. Let me go to the activity guide. Click go to next. After saving this, so go to the actions menu. to the actions menu. So go to the actions menu. Here it is the business rules. Click on business rules and select the consolidation rule. So here it is the business rule. So let me select the consolidation. Here it is the consolidation tab. Let me go to the on the launch page, entering selecting the following members. Entity is the total geography, scenario is the actual, here is the FY20, period is the GM. Let me select the POV for the business rules. So entity is the total geography. So total geography, click OK. So scenario is the actual. Period is the Jan. Enter year is the FY20. Go to the application. So then click launch. Click on launch. So the rule was running successfully. So click OK. Let me go to the activity guide. So if we receive the below error, it means you must complete the POV ownership. But I didn't have any error message. So I am successfully run the rule. So after that, so now repeat the steps to 12 to 15 for the period of PEB. So let me go to the PEB values. So the PEB values also 15,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. So let me go to the application. So I'm going to change the period as Jan to PEB. After that, click OK. Click Go. So let me go to the application. So the values are 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. The values are 15,000, 10,000 and also 5,000. Here it is also 15,000. 10,000. After that, click on save. That has been saved. Click OK. Go to the application. So after that, click the business rule one more time. So the PO will be the change the period 12 to 15. The period is the PEB. Let me go to the application. In the access menu, click on business rules. Click on consolidate. Click on period. expand H5 Q1. Okay, click on launch. The business will be run for the PEB. The period is the PEB. So in this, the PEB period will be also was successfully run. Click OK. Let me go to the activity gate. So enter the following details in the POV form. So now open the consolidated data form or data form in the data card. Let me go to the application. Click on home page. Click on data card. So open the forms. So here it is. Open the consolidated data form or data form in the data card. So can open that consolidated data form. Let me expand the data forms. So here it is a consolidated data form. Click on consolidated data form. So now, so period is Jan. Data source is data total data source. Let me go to the application. Yeah, and click the total data source. Click OK. Let me go to the application. So you will see the consolidated data. Let me go to the application. So here it is the consolidated data. What you previously entered 30,000, 20,000, 10,000 like that. 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. So here we can observe the 30,000, 20,000 data and also ownership data. After that, so here we can see the data what you enter previously data form. So after the consolidated data will be appear like that. So let me show in the application. So it will be the consolidated data. So let me go to the activity gate. Click next. So in this managing jobs and migration and auditing data, let me go to next slide. So in these practices, we will perform the following tasks: create and schedule the data import job, learn how to enable the task for the auditing and how to export the delete audit data and export artifacts and data as snapshot and import it back later. So create and schedule the data import job. So in this practice, we will create a schedule a data import job. First, log into the EPM cloud application. So select the overview card under the application cluster. Go to the application on the home page. It is the application cluster. So click on overview card. So after that, let me go to the activity again. So in this, click on actions drop down and then select inbox outbox explorer. Let me go to the application. So here you can actions. So in this, click on inbox outbox explorer. So after that, go to next. Click upload. Browse the import data.csv file present in our labs folder and then click upload file. So I have already the import data file. So click upload to upload this file. Go to the application. So click on upload. So in this, choose the file. So I have import file in my folder, data file. So click OK. The import file will be uploaded. So click on upload file to upload the application. The file upload will complete successfully. So uploaded was successfully. After that, click OK. After that, then click close to the explorer. Click close. So let me go to the activity guide. So click the actions drop down again and then click select import data. So let me go to select actions. So here import data. So let me for this location select inbox in the source file column, give the file name as import data CSV. Let me go to, so click on create, select inbox. After that, select inbox. In the source file column, give the file name as import underscore data CSV. Import underscore data CSV. Click save as job. Click save as job. Give the name file as. So on the save as job, please enter the following details. Name as import job for EN01. Error file is import error file. Import job for import job for EN01. So the error file is import error file. That click on save. So the job has been saved. Click OK. Let me go to the activity guide. So close all open dialog boxes. So let me close all dialog boxes. Close, and let me close this one also. So let me go to the activity guide. Click next. So click the jobs tab. So now click schedule jobs. Go to the application. Click the jobs tab. Here it is the jobs tab. Click on jobs tab. So here it is the click on schedule jobs. Let me go to the activity guide. So after that, on the schedule job page, first select the import data and then give name as to the job. Go to the application, select the import data, give name as, so name as the data import for EN01 underscore 05. Give the name as data import for EN01 underscore 05. So select the recurrence pattern as weekly and days of week as Monday. Select the recurrence is the month weekly. So the days of week is the Monday. So after that, for scheduling, starting from entering today's date. So scheduling, I'm going to entering today's date. After that, click next. So I'm going to select today's date. Click next. So select the job that you have saved and then click next. Select the job. So I'm going to select the job, import Java EN01. Click next. After that, so review your details and then click finish. Your job will be available in the job section. So let me go to the application. So after the review the data, click on finish. So the data import EN01 job will be available in the job section. It is a job pending, so it will be take some time to schedule the job. So it will be running every month, every Monday. So select the task for the auditing. In this practice, we will select the task for auditing purpose. So log into the EPM Cloud application. So click audit card in the tools cluster. Let me go to the application. So go to the home page. So go to the tools cluster. Here it is the audit card. Click on audit card. Let me go to the activity guide. So click configure. Uncheck the data form approvals and clear cell details. So let me go to the application. Click on configure tab. So uncheck the which is that approvals and data form and clear cells details. Approvals and data forms and clear cell details. Click apply. Okay. After that, so now in this practice, we will export and delete audit data. So log into the EPM Cloud if necessary. So click audit card in the tools cluster. So click filter icon on the audit page. Click audit card in the tools cluster. Go to the application, go to the home page. So here it is the tools cluster. Click on audit card. So after that, click on filter icon to the audit page. So I'm going to select the filter icon on the audit page. After that, entering the following details of the filter space: task groups all, actions all, start date 1 week before today's date, end date today's date. Then click apply. So let me go to the select the task group all, actions also select all. So select the previous dates which you want. Select OK. So this is the today's date. After that, click apply. The audit data will be filtered by using this filter. So let me wait for the data. So the filter data will be appear what you selected in the filter. So after that, click go to next. So you will be able to see audit data. So now click actions and then click export. Click OK. So now you can export the data. Let me go to the actions. Actions. Here it is the export button. Click on export. So the export data will be saved as .csv file under the local mission. It will be .csv file what we exported data. So and also you can click actions on the again and click delete to delete the audit data. Key filter as and click delete. Go to the actions. So click delete. Then our filter is audit data selected, the filter get be selected following screenshot. So I'm going to select the filter. I'm going to delete. So it will be deleted. What we selected the here, the number of records will be deleted 36788. So let me go to the activity guide. So exporting artifaction data to a snapshot. So let me go to the application. So log into the VM application. Select migration in the tools cluster. Go to the application. Click on tools cluster. Click on migration card. So after click on migration card, we will see the application components in the form for a different categories. So select the all categories. I'm going to select the all categories: documentary repository, core, and data management, and calculation manager, and groups and membership. So let me go to the application activity guide. So here click export. So after that, click export. So give the name as application export. Go to the application. Give the name as application export. Fourth. After that, click OK. So you can see the status of export migration status report. Click refresh to see the progress. So once the export is complete, the exported snapshot will be available in the snapshot section. So you can select the actions of your snapshot, then click download to save the snapshot mission. So let me go to the application. So it is up in progress. It will take some time. So let me wait for the migration snapshot card. So click on refresh to select. So it will be take some time to. So let me wait for that migration status. It will take me 10 to 15 minutes. So let me wait for the result. So the migration will be completed. So let me go to the application. So the once export is completed, the exported snapshot will be available in the snapshot section. So let me go close this. So let me open the snapshots by clicking the snapshot section. So this is the I'm going to create the 0404 true 00 is the, available in the snapshot. Let me refresh this available for the size. So let me wait for the size. Click on refresh. So let me wait for the size. After that, you can download this. So you can access snapshot, then click download to save the snapshot in your vision. So if you want to download, you can view the size of the snapshot. So let me wait for the size. So the size will be available. Now you can download by using access menu. Click access menu. Click on download. So the application export will be downloaded as the zip file. So let me go to the application. So let me go to next slide. So log into the application, select the WoW view and click on application cluster. Go to the, let me go to the home page. Go to the application, click on WoW view card. So let me go to the activity guide. So in the actions menu, the remove, select the remove application. The access menu. So select the remove application. So in this, click on as. Click on as. So after click on as, the application will be removed from the FCCS from the cloud. So EPM cloud. Let me go to the activity guide. So after that, you can log in once again to your application. Go to the application. So it will take time to remove the application. So let me wait for the remove the application. So let me go to the activity guide. So after that, log in once again to the application. So I'm going to log in again by using the credentials. Click on go. So now click migrate. So click on migrate. So after that, so go to the snapshots tab. So I'm going to go to the snapshots tab. So what you created in the application export 04042022. So select that this one and select click accession, then click import. So I'm going to select this one and click on actions, click import. Once the click import and the snapshot import process will begin, that takes around 10 minutes to complete. Once import file finishes, sign out and send it the application. So click OK. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes time. Once the import file is finished, sign out from the application and then click in sign in again. Yeah, that's it, Srikanth. That's from all my side.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Jagadeesh.
Yeah, thank you, Srikanth.
Have a nice day, man.
Yeah, thank you, Srikanth.